How to remove the door handle on a Ford Transit van. Lots of us have to do commercial wraps on these transit vans, and it is so easy to remove these door handles. There's no point in wasting your time not removing them. So, pop the door open. You got this plastic guy right here. This little plastic guy that covers the screw for the door handle. Take a plastic pry tool and just pop that off. Maybe hold on to it so that doesn't happen. Then, after you've got that open, inside there, you'll see a Torx bit or a Torx screw. Grab yourselves a T20 Torx. So just stick your T20 Torx into there. You'll feel it when you get it lined up into there, and unscrew. As you're unscrewing, you can put a little bit of pressure on your hand here, or on this piece here, because that's what's going to pop out. So as you're unscrewing and you're pulling, it'll just pop out. Set that guy aside. You don't have to worry about that screw actually coming out because it's not going to go anywhere. Then take and just pull the door handle forward. Once you feel this thing pop loose, just pull it out, just like that. And these guys pop off really easy too. They have these little hooks right here, hooks into here, and then these guys right here hook into here. So when you're putting it back in, just make sure that those hook in, and then go back and pop it back in like that. Take this piece. Oh, I screwed that screw back in. So now I need to unscrew a little bit. That guy will pop back in. Hold it in place and tighten it up. Put your plastic cap back in place and you're good to go. That's how easy and quick it is to remove the door handles on these Ford Transit vans. The same applies to Mercedes Transit vans. So really simple, easy. It applies to all the door panels. Other than the side one, you have to get from the inside of the door. So other than that, exact same for all the doors. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more how-to tips with vinyl wraps, PPF, and all that relates to this industry.